In this video, I will show you how to create and post Facebook Reels. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make Facebook Reels. And on your feed on the Facebook app, you need first to click this Reels button, then click this other button here to start creating your reel. And on this next screen, you can upload a short video of up to 60 seconds or photos from your device, or record a short video with the front or rear camera. And above here, you can turn the camera flash on or off, and also switch the brightness on or off. And while uploading or recording your video, you can add some music from the Facebook audio library, set the video length and speed, add some effects, time your video, and add a green screen background. And you can always cancel everything to start afresh and also report an issue to Facebook. Now, after uploading or recording your video, you can still add some more music or voiceover, or mute the audio on this next screen. You can also add text, effects, and stickers. In addition, you can edit your video, and as you can see, you can trim the video, add or replace a clip, add some more speed, and also mirror the video. And after all these, you can save your video as undraft, or download it to your device, or click this next button to go on to post your reel. And on this next page, you can describe your reel on this section, where you can also add some hashtags, and then choose who can view your reel on this other section here. The last thing is to click this share button below here to post your reel to Facebook. Now, this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.